Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Quick little video here talking about the brand new Triumph TE-1 electric bike prototype. So yeah guys, I just wanted to put this out there just because I've been watching quite a lot of the press releases and I just wanted to get your thoughts on the bike. So yeah guys, 175 horsepower, about 131 kilowatts. The charging time is 0 to 80% in like 20 minutes, which is amazing. The weight of this bike is only 220 kilos, which I think is actually quite light for this kind of bike. Now, I believe they're not actually going to release this exact bike. This is just going to be their bit of their test bike, which will be interesting to see where they actually go with this. I really hope that they either release, this I think is kind of like a speed, equivalent to a speed triple. So I really hope they do this or they do a street triple. I really hope they don't go down that small capacity bike. I really think that this will just kill it in the market if they release this. The technology, they've been working with Williams Advanced Engineering, which is an F1 team. So the tech on this bike is going to be amazing. There's always that, I'm a bit 50-50 with this technology with going fully electric. Obviously, you lose that sound. And for me, I've always been about, having a loud exhaust, having a loud bike. I think it makes a bike and that you want that character. So it's going to be interesting to see where the electric space goes. I think in my thoughts, I think that if we can get that sort of electric sort of whooshing sound, and obviously it's going to be super punchy, which is going to draw a lot of people into this space with just how fast they're going to be able to make these bikes. If you look at the car space, look at Tesla's, they're making some of the fastest cars in the world, actually, if not the fastest production car with the Tesla Plaid. So I think they can go down that sort of space, which is interesting. So yeah guys, this is the specs at the moment. So 161 kilometers, 100-mile range, which is fantastic. Be good if they could up that a little bit more, especially if they want to try and bring this into their adventure bikes and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm sure that'll happen with time. 220 kilos, for me, that's the big thing here. It's not that heavy at all. I mean, if you look at like a ZH2, similar sort of weight. Similar sort of weight. So yeah, guys, tell me what you think of this bike as well in the comments. I'd love to know. Obviously, this is a stage 4. They're obviously going to come out with more information hopefully soon on this bike. But yeah guys, it looks really good. I just really hope they release this bike in this form. That's all I can say. Even the dash and everything looks really good. It looks fairly basic, but yeah guys, love to know your thoughts. So tell me what you think in the comments. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Plenty of content to come. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for what's coming up. Thanks guys, bye.